Students, today we will discuss about the structure of the brain or human brain. It is the main part of the CNS, Central Nervous System. It is the main part of the CNS, Central Nervous System. It is the main controlling unit of the body. It consists of the three parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. These three parts form the brain: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain is the main thinking part of the body. Thinking part. Forebrain consists of the two parts: cerebrum and olfactory lobe. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, and it is dome-shaped and forms the roof of the brain, that is called cerebrum. And main thinking part, olfactory lobe. Olfactory lobe related with the smell. And this cerebrum has different lobes: occipital lobe, temporal lobe, frontal lobe, and parietal lobe. Occipital lobe for sight, temporal lobe for hearing, frontal lobe for speech, and parietal lobe for taste and smell. Now, midbrain. Midbrain connects the forebrain and the hindbrain. It shows the connection, and it controls the reflex movement. Now, third part is the hindbrain. It consists of the pons, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. Pons, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. Pons regulating the respiration. Cerebellum is the smallest part of the hindbrain, and it controls the posture and movement. Third is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata lies at the floor of the hindbrain, and it helps in regulating the swallowing, coughing, sneezing, and vomiting like involuntary actions controlled by the medulla oblongata. And this is the spinal cord. Spinal cord further covered with the vertebrae and form the backbone, part of the backbone. Now here is a gland present, that is called pituitary gland. This pituitary gland is also called the master gland because it controls the activities of all the glands present in our whole body. That's why this is called master gland, and this is the pituitary gland.